Hi guys, I've got a completely random item here that I found on the side of the road. I've no idea what it is. This looks like sort of bayonet connections that screw into something or push and twist. This looks like a rubber seal. There is some writing on it. I'll change the lighting in a minute, see if I can read it. Got some dirt in there, got some chips on it. That looks like a light sensor, or what do we call it? Light dependent resistor. So let's see if we can get it apart, see if we can read what the writing is. Let's just change that lighting a minute. It says SELC Ireland Limited, Belmullet, Ireland, model SELC 8480, supply voltage 200 to 265 volts, 50 Hertz, rated current 10 amps, inductive 10 amps, inductive, enclosure IP67, no idea what that is. That says 144A 2S, 10 milliseconds for fusing, semiconductor switching component. I got a suspicion this is off the top of a street light or something. Is there anything we can get apart? Doesn't appear to be any screws anywhere. Just this sticky back foam ring. I bet that's what this is. This is off the top of a street light. Oh, that lifted up okay. Oh, there we go. We got brown, blue and red. I'm not sure if that's 81816 or BIB16. 700 SW MAR 707. Oh, little spider in there. Oh, got a little wood louse as well. Well, if anybody knows what it is, I'm sure they'll tell me. well, that's all I can do really. I'm not bigclive.com, I can't actually identify all the individual components from memory. And I can tell you obvious things, like that says Q4, so that's going to be a transistor. That says Q5. Q1, ZD, your resistors, surface mount, diode, ZD. 70 lux. Yeah, this is for a street light, isn't it? (2200 microfarad, 16 volt electrolytic capacitor). Would that be a relay? I wonder if that's a relay. Yeah. Got 3 rows of contacts there, and 3 individual contacts at that end. Yeah, I expect that's a relay, isn't it? 12 volt DC. Oh, well, that might be worth keeping if nothing else. Relay. Completely random item, but I might be able to pinch that relay off there or make use of it. And as I say, that's a light detecting resistor, light, yeah, LDR. I'll put that in my box of bits. I was just looking at this board, seeing which bits I could probably salvage from it, and I no doubt I can salvage that electrolytic capacitor, and then I noticed it's wobbling around. And on this side, if we look at that leg there, the track's loose, or it's loose on the track. Whether that's as a result of it being discarded and broken, or whether that's the reason that it was discarded, because it's faulty, we'll never know. And then, just looking here, the red one is live, the blue one is neutral, and the brown one, I guess LO, probably means load. I don't know, I'm guessing. I've never ever seen one of these before.